Hi everyone, for today's video I would like to talk about my security alarm system control panel. So this is a security command control panel, and my alarm system is XR20, and if you can see right now I'm having a battery trouble message. So I believe this type of message is different depending on the brand of security that you have, because in my previous home, once I get the battery trouble message, it accompanies it with a chirping sound as well. In this particular system, I will get a battery trouble message with no sound, so basically it gives me time to fix it before giving me any annoying sounds. But once the battery goes down to around 11%, this panel will give me a long single tone sound. So basically that sound will never end, and the message is going to change to system trouble. So if this is your first time getting error message in your alarm system, other than telling you that some doors are open, then the first thing you want to look at is in your control panels. So your control panel is most likely located inside your master bedroom closet, or if you have a data feeds, a control center, you probably have it there as well. So for me, I have my data feeds right here, and right here I have my alarm panel. And you know that because this one looks like just like a box, but if you look here, there's actually a cord right here. So the first thing you want to check is your cord, okay? And if you look down, this adapter sometimes can get nudged. You know, if it gets loose like this, see this one right here, it loses the green light. So that means that you're not getting voltage to your battery. So what you want to do, make sure that this is plugged in. So once you plug that in, the next thing you want to check is right here inside your panel. So if you look inside your panel, you'll see a battery. And if you have not replaced your battery yet, and it's over 3 years at least, you may need to replace it with a new one. The lifespan of this battery is between 3 and 5 years. Sometimes it can last up to 7 years or up to 10 years, but the average lifespan of this is 3 to 5 years. So if you have not replaced that yet, then you want to replace the battery. So to replace the battery, just make sure you get the same type battery. You can always find that in Amazon. And to replace the battery, you can unplug the power cord first, just to be safer. And once I do that, you can simply unplug this to cable right here. So this is the black cable, goes to the negative, and the red cable goes to the positive. So I just unplug that, okay? And once you unplug this, you want to get your new battery. So you just want to plug this back in. Make sure that you put your cables back in and make sure that it gives you the good connection. So after you replace the battery and you plug your adapter back in, your alarm system might still give you that error message, but give the battery some time to get recharged, okay? And if the battery recharge, then your only problem is the battery. Now, if you know for sure that your battery is good, but you keep losing power, then your problem might be with your adapter, okay? So basically what it does is your AC power connects right here, and then from AC voltage, it converts it to DC voltage to charge your battery, and then the rest of your system basically depend on this. And over time, your adapter is going to start degrading. So if you look in your control panel, most alarm system will require you to have a 16.5 volt AC, okay? And if you can see here right now, I'm gonna put this in volt. I'm gonna put it in 20 AC volt, and this thing should give me at least 14 to 16 volt AC. But right now it's just giving me 12.6 volts. And right here should give me at least 12 volts DC output. If you look over here, I'm only getting 11.63 voltage. Okay, so basically I'm not getting enough voltage to recharge this battery. So over time this battery will start losing power. So if you replace your battery and you're still losing power even though your adapter is connected, then you want to replace your adapter. Okay, and I actually purchased an adapter from Amazon, and I just received this today. So if you can see here, the input is 120 volt and the output is 16.5 volt. So once I replace my adapter with this, and this thing should go up to 16.5 volt, or at least higher than the 12.5 volt, so that it will always keep this battery charged. Another thing, if you look at the old adapter, you can see right now it has like a burn, kind of like a burn mark here. So basically it's overheating. Right here it's overheating, so that's not a good sign. Okay, so all you need to do is remove this two cable and then just put it back into the new adapter. Okay, so now I replaced it with the new adapter. You can see right there I have the new adapter, and now let's go ahead and check the voltage coming out right here. So this is DC voltage, or this is AC voltage. So just gonna go ahead and stick this thing here, and you can see right now I'm having 15.8 volts. Okay, now let me go ahead and switch this to DC voltage. And you can see right now I have a 13.4 volts. So now this 13.4 volts is enough to charge this battery and keep it charged. Okay, so as you can see right now, the panel is still showing battery trouble, and that is because my battery is still below 12 volts. So we'll just wait for it to charge over 12 volts, and then the battery trouble here should go away. Okay, so this is about 30 minutes after I installed the new adapter, and you can see right now there's no more battery trouble message. That means that the adapter was able to provide enough voltage to charge the battery, as the battery provides power to the system. So I hope that this video is helpful to you, and if it does, please make sure to click the like button, because clicking the like button will help this video trend higher in the YouTube algorithm. And also please make sure to click the subscribe button to help my channel grow. And thank you for watching.